We're gonna use penne. I started using buckwheat pasta. I'm gonna challenge myself and put chili. Not good, Giulia, not good. I'll do it again. Just add, mix it. This is so beautiful, so many colors. We don't throw the spaghetti to the wall. We're checking if the food is spicy. I was shocked when I first came to India to see how many people actually are aware of pasta arrabbiata. I didn't know it was so common in India. How legit this is. I'm just gonna clean it. In the Veda tradition, the looks of the food are extremely important because it apparently activates your saliva and it helps digestion.
Doesn't this look amazing, guys? The moment of truth.
Hey guys, Giulia here. We have just filmed another video, and because you have been asking me to film an Italian recipe for you guys, I thought, well, I might just put two cameras here and show you how I just cook one of the simplest pasta all'arrabbiata. I know many of you know this recipe too, and I was shocked when I first came to India to see how many people actually are aware of pasta all'arrabbiata. I didn't know it was so common in India. So I decided to just show you how I make it the Italian way. For making pasta all'arrabbiata, we just use really simple ingredients. We of course need pasta. This is like a bit more than 100 grams, and this is gonna be specifically for Shrey, but I recently started using buckwheat pasta. Nevertheless, we're gonna use penne. Of course, there is the extra virgin olive oil. If it's not possible for you to find extra virgin olive oil, don't worry, just use the oil you've always used in your recipes. A can of diced tomatoes. This is the salt I use for the water in pasta. If you cannot find it, just use the normal salt. After that, we will need garlic. So I've already peeled one piece of garlic. Then we need chili flakes. I'm gonna challenge myself and put chilies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cry. You will see. These are specifically Italian chilies. Shrey actually finds them different from the Indian chilies. That's it. Well, at the end, I'm gonna add some parmesan. This is really fun. At the beginning, Shrey really didn't like parmesan cheese, and I'm a huge fan. I actually eat parmesan also as a snack because it has a lot of proteins. And then slowly, when it started coming more often to Italy, started really liking it. Again, if you cannot find parmesan, don't worry. Just use pizza cheese, any type of cheese you want to put on top. Now, you might have seen that I have a different type of pasta here. This is buckwheat pasta, and I'm trying to use just buckwheat flour, buckwheat pasta lately because I'm noticing that gluten makes me really bloated, and so I'm just testing. You don't need to use it. I'm just basically okay. Let's get started! So, water inside this pan. I'm gonna have to cook two pans because of course I have two types of pasta. I like to put the salt at the right beginning because salt tends to make the process of boiling way slower. Now we just need to wait for the pasta to boil, and while we do that, we need to make the sauce. I'm gonna put olive oil. I just smash the garlic like this. I also like the smell of garlic so much. In the meantime, I'm going to make a quick salad. I'll also put some corn inside. I'm just gonna do it simple. Cucumber, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and corn. Now, when you can see and you can smell that the oil is taking the taste of the garlic, you can add chili flakes. Cherry tomatoes are cut, cucumber is cut. I'm gonna just mix it together. That's it. I'm gonna take the garlic away, otherwise we're gonna digest it the day after tomorrow. Just add diced tomatoes. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. Mix it. Shrey is extremely hungry, so I was like, yeah, gotta make a very simple recipe. This water is already boiling, so I'm gonna add my pasta here. I'm gonna add salt in the salad. Look, and this is so beautiful, so many colors, right? I was grasping the basilicum because I want to add basilicum in the salad. I will also add some hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds. Makes it crunchier, which is something that Shrey likes a lot. Now, I'm gonna add some basilicum. Look how it's boiling. Let me just look at it. The water is basically becoming creamier and creamier. That's the most important part. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. The secret for making amazing tomato pasta sauce is in the sugar, which is not great, but does make the tomato sauce sweeter. I think my pasta is ready. I'm just gonna remove it. Another secret for amazing pasta is to keep a bit of the cooking water in order to make the sauce get really sticky to the pasta. Whenever you drain the water from the pasta, just leave a bit of the cooking water inside the pan. Look. This is just a tiny bit. Also, Shrey's water is boiling. He's gonna be happy. I'm gonna put the pasta. I love basilicum. I could put basilicum everywhere. And we want to grow our own basilicum and other herbs in our terrace. Now, this is not really easy. It's actually becoming more challenging than I thought. And that's because the weather here is a bit moody. I was so surprised when I first came to India to see how many people know pasta all'arrabbiata. Fun fact, when we started talking about food, Shrey and I was asking him like, what do you know about Italian cuisine? He told me pasta all'arrabbiata and I was like, what? This is such a, I don't know, it's just weird. Another thing that is interesting, we don't throw the spaghetti to the wall checking if they're cooked. That's just something we don't do. Let me know in the comments below which other recipe you would like to see. I really think the sauce is ready. I'm gonna pour a bit of the sauce in my pasta. You might have noticed that I like singing a lot. But there is one thing that makes me extremely shy in front of the camera or in front of the public. That is singing. I'm thinking of doing something for you guys. Not sure. I need to prepare for that because I don't know. Singing for me is so intimate. Shrey likes al dente pasta, which means that it's a bit crunchier, so not too soft. These are my pasta mix. Not bad, right? Okay, let me just pour it in the dish. Wow, it's spicy. Time to switch it off. Drain the water, but keep a bit of the cooking water. I'm gonna add a bit of water here. This is how much cooking water I added. Time to drain. Pasta is ready. And mix it, mix it, mix it. We normally add parsley at the end, but I don't have it. Let me show you how legit this looks. Generally, the nutritionists say that you should eat first the salad and then the pasta. Okay. We're both so hungry that I'm not sure we're gonna be able to do that. Because I want this dish to look pretty, I'm just gonna clean it. I know that in the Veda tradition, the looks of the food are extremely important because it apparently activates your saliva and it helps digestion. This is my favorite part. Okay, we are ready.
Wow, doesn't this look amazing, guys? This is brilliant.
I love spicy pasta.
So hungry.
You're not gonna put parmesan?
Maybe some chili flakes as well for me.
You want chili flakes? First try it. These are like Italian chili flakes.
The moment of truth. So good. Amazing.
You like it?
Thank you so much.
Were you ordering penne all'arrabbiata when you were in India before meeting me?
Yes, it was my favorite pasta because it's usually the pasta which is most spicy. Usually in India we don't, whenever we make pasta at home, usually we use penne, which is this shape of pasta, and we put a lot of spices and tomato sauce. We call it just pasta, but it's actually penne all'arrabbiata that we make. Wow, great food.
Anyway, this video was an experiment where Shrey was finishing, I was cooking, and I just decided to put the camera. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below if you want to see more of this just spontaneous videos. Now we're gonna switch off the camera and enjoy the food without a camera. As always, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. I was about to put this inside. Not good, Giulia, not good. You're gonna ruin the pan. And Shrey actually likes me singing. Oh, is this? No, the GoPro has stopped. Oh no! Wait, I always get confused. Is this one? Giulia, come on. Oh, interesting. There is a piece of corn. Sorry, corn. I'm gonna do that. Keep going, keep going. Let me check if it's recording. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it. Make a move, make a move. In my pasta. In my pasta. In my pasta. In my pasta. Oh. here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Woo-hoo.
Every time I'm feeling good, I keep on wanting more.